Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Syeda Minhal Bukhari, and today I'm gonna give you a lecture on a certain topic which I have selected. And let me introduce myself. I have I am pursuing my bachelor's in electrical engineering from NED University. I have done my matriculation from Metropolis Girls School. I have done my intermediate from PCHS College, and I have done multiple courses in robotics, and I have served as a co-director in robotics team in Centec Society. I have already served as a volunteer in a summer fundraising campaign of Saya Foundation. I was a runner-up at second position in whole Pakistan's intra-science essay writing competition, and I have done multiple courses in regarding my field work. I have experience over a lot of softwares related to my field, related to electrical engineering. I have presented my paper in the fourth International Electrical Engineering Conference, and I have done the Family Quran course from Aluda International. I think this is all about me. Let us move to the main slide. That is our topic. Okay, so this is our topic for today. The chapter or the lecture named as chemical bonding. It also includes the classification, that is the intermolecular and the intramolecular bonding or attractive forces. It refers to the chapter number 4, chemical bonding of first year HSC part 1. And it also refers to some of the topics that we have already included or that we have already studied in SSC part 1 9 class. So it is beneficial for all the students who are interested in chemistry and who are interested in the depth of the chemistry topics. So let me start it. These are the learning outcomes which I am sure that you will be able to understand all of these and learn all of the concepts that I have written. First is the chemical bonding concept. Number 2, you will be able to understand the difference between the intermolecular and the intramolecular with their examples. You will be understanding ionic bonding in details, and you will be learning about the covalent bonding together with its type and its formation and the properties of the chemical compounds. Here, the first definition that we are going through is the definition of the chemical bonding, that it belongs to the attractive forces which hold the atoms together in a molecule is called chemical bonding. And it also refers to the binding force which atom requires to make bonds with other atoms in a molecule or a compound. First, we can see what is the basic difference between the molecule or a compound. The molecule or a compound is being regarded as a molecule can be defined as it contains the atoms of the same element, or a compound is being regarded as it contains the atoms of the different elements. So we should know the difference between these both. Okay. Now coming to the next slide. The next slide surely is the multiple questions that is arising in your mind, that why we should do chemical bonding, or what causes the atoms to do the chemical bonding, or why do atoms take part in the bonding. So here I am gonna give you the reasons. Okay, the number one reasons that the atoms is being participating together in a chemical bond is due to their electronic configuration in their valence shell. What is the valence shell? Valence shell is the last shell that is being made in the atomic structure of the element, and to fulfill the octet rule given by G.N. Lewis in 1916. So what is this octet rule? This octet rule is being defined as that an element with 8 electrons in the valence shell or in the last shell is most stabilized or is the most stable. So what do you mean by stable? Any person who is in any phase of his life always wants to make him stabilize by gaining reputation or by gaining knowledge in the society or by posting to the higher designations. Same goes with the atom, that an atom wants 8 electrons in the last shell to get stabilized, but these in the picture right to it, it is mentioned that k electrons always occupy the 2 electrons. That is the most stabilized of it, and the L shell occupies the 8 electron that follows the octet rule. But the M and N shell contains the 18 and 32 electrons. These this is according to the electronic configuration given. But according to GN levels, only that atom will be stable that is following the octet rule. So to follow the octet rule, the atoms does exhibit the chemical bonding. Okay.